is a post office. Wow! Ang laki ng snow file nila doon. Icicle. Maya-maya pagka nandito na yung araw, magme-melt na yan. So, sa ngayon, ice pa siya. Malamig pa. 11 o'clock. Ano yun? Yung ano, mayroon kaming package. Ngayon lang namin nakuha kasi nga may snowstorm kami. Be careful. Lagay niya dito sa side ko.
Hi, Joe. No, you're not getting out.
What is this?
That's my lung medication.
Oh! The one that you wanted to try?
Yeah.
Oh, coming from Brandy Packaging, Fremont, Ohio. Synchrony.
The hell of a place to park that you.
Careful.
Huh?
Be careful.
It's a hell of a place to park that U-Haul truck. You know?
U-Haul truck. I know what is that coming from Synchrony. That is $10.99
Yeah.
tax form. I got mine, and you said I don't need to file because I'm making below 900. Is that what you said?
$9.99. Honey, sit back.
There. And on YouTube, Rafael said if I make 500 in 1 year, I have to file tax. No?
No, because it's supplemental income and you're not making $1,000.
So yeah, YouTube.
If your supplemental incomes become greater than I think $1,000, then you have to start filing.
YouTube and interest are the same form, 1099.
Of course they are.
Ooh, look at the snow over there in
Mount Baldy.
Mount Baldy.
Truck is driving really heavy right now.
Oh, because of the snow in the back. Let's go deliver the snow. Let's see how long it lasts. It's probably all the way to Anaheim.
Oh yeah, there'll be a lot of it there. Cloud cover.
It's cloudy. Be careful. Blow.
I can get rid of the snow real easily.
Which one? This one?
The back of the truck. Just over the tailgate.
No, you said we need some weight in the back.
No, I didn't say that. I
Oh.
said it's driving heavy because of it.
We're carrying water.
Just think, a gallon of water weighs 15 pounds. How many gallons of water do you think we got back there?
I don't know. It's half a truck.
Probably.
How much is no do we have back there, Chili Boy?
I know.
Right. We will see them sometime soon as we get heavier and heavier.